Hello there, everyone. So earlier I was trying to test my Google Nest Mini. So also a fan of automation. I do have the extra smart socket that you could purchase from Amazon, from Shopee. They're about $4 each, $5, where you can actually control and use Google Nest Mini to automate and turn on, turn off stuff. Um, I was just decompressing, getting away from work code. So I stumbled upon and recalled a previous project from one of my students, or one of my advisors' students, rather. They were working on some voice commands as well. So I thought of spinning up one for myself, which I could use as a daily driver. It launches the most common stuff that I use for work, maybe like Teams, right? So we also have the browser for Google and a few other stuff, right? So this is the base code. There's nothing fancy to it. There's no AI integration, but you can if you want. And if you're just trying out a few things, you could use this script just to learn about it. So what are the things that you wanted to tweak? There's an app map which gives you a mapping of your voice command, right? For these are your keywords, whether you launch the Chrome, Visual Studio Code, or call it for code. These ones will run on the terminal and run the code command, right? So the action word are called verbs, which will allow you to run the apps, right? So any of these action words will combine with your map keywords and they will officially run it, or at least supposed to run it, right? So let me just try to reset the kernel and then let's run the app. Maybe one of the things that I would advise for you to use is a microphone that has a noise canceling one so that it could pick up more of your microphone. So yeah, so let's try it out. Launch Chrome, launch Chrome. Alright, so there it is. So that's the command. There's a bit of delay, but sometimes it's very, very snappy. Let me just close this one out. Maybe launch Teams. Okay, maybe mm, launch Microsoft Teams. There it is. And so I'm logged into my academic account. So, all right. So there's that. I've already uploaded this to GitHub repo, the personal one. So there it is. All right. So there's a bit of a README and then the Python scripts that I used for this small project. You could actually run it on the background and it will actively listen to your commands like launch Visual Studio Code, right? So that's what our daily driver for the okay, so it errored out. So it happens sometimes. Launch Visual Studio Code. Launch Visual Studio Code. Okay, so there it is. Great way to end the video recording for this one. Yeah, so that's essentially it. You could do combination of which, right? So if you just wanted to snap everything for your daily driver at work, you can do so. Maybe just tweak it up a bit. So that's the baseline code. I'll just put it right there. Thanks everyone.